A very, very warm welcome. Now, thank you, everybody. You're welcome to my channel. Well, this is your boy YKWK Panda International. Now, today I want us to look at the real science behind love and attraction. Now, the fact is, when you look at your love interest, chemicals are released in your body which make your heart race. If you have ever felt love, you really know the signs I'm talking about. Well, the happiness, the fast heartbeat, and the fraternally feeling in your stomach all mean you have caught the love bug. It sounds like I'm really talking about things you understand, because we all know that feeling that you get. Well, we often think of love as something that affects only our emotions. But it actually affects many other parts of our bodies without us even realizing it. Now, we shall talk about what really happens to our bodies in the next episode. Well, for those who are actually curious about love and how it works, just keep listening. And even those who don't want to know, I know many of you, you've had a lot of issues and problems. But remember, it's not the end of life. But okay. Let me explain the mystery of love, how it changes over time. Let me talk about the romantic bit of it. Well, you might ask yourself a question. What is the science behind love and attraction? Well, it might sound strange, but love actually starts in the brain. The tiny chemicals released by the brain, the tiny chemicals, these chemicals are released by the brain cells, and are the ones that are responsible to make us feel love. Well, there are different hormones responsible for that. And in various stages of love. Now, according to scientists, love can be split into 3 levels. We have lust, attraction, and attachment. based on the chemicals responsible for love. While last comes as the first stage. It's the initial stage when hormone is related to reproduction, like testosterone in men and estrogen in women. Take charge. It's just the basic natural urge for humans to want to be together, as you know, and then to have babies, stuff like that. Well, the next phase is the attraction phase. Now, with the attraction phase, it's where things are staging and they're like starting to get more serious. You are really into each other, and normally you don't want to be apart. Well, this phase goes beyond basic instincts to other hormones usually, which play a big role. Well, first is adrenaline. Well, the hormone responsible for the alertness. Adrenaline is responsible for the alertness, and it's why your heart like pounds and your palms get sweaty each time you see your crush. Well, we have another hormone is the dopamine. Well, the reward hormone, it also gets involved to keep you coming back for more. That's why every time you want to go back, you know what, you understand, you get it, huh? Well, the final phase is the attachment phase. This is where you like the transition to, it is a transition to planning a life together. Well, the main hormone for the phase is oxytocin. Oxytocin is the main hormone that is responsible for this. The cuddle hormone is also responsible for that. Well, so if you get into love, I just want you guys to understand all the three phases, because they really have to happen if things come to a serious level of it. Well, I love you guys. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. With much love. Well, this is your boy YQ Wiki Panda. Thank you. Bye bye.